I give thanks to the Almighty. Girl pretty in a off-white tee. Living life, man, I pre your IG. Skin soft, so you need your ID. And girl, you a queen of a nation. Dark skin girl, they ain't related. Tryna be like you, so they hate and they liking the juice that Jamaican. I think
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I've come with you with another makeup tutorial, so let's get straight into it. Right, so first thing we're going to go with is my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease canvas to just prime the eyelids. And then I'm gonna grab my fluffy blending brush, and just blend that all over my eyelid. Okay, once that's nicely blended, today for eyeshadow I'm going to take my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to try and find a nice transition color. So I think I'm going to use this shade here. It's like a nice neutral nude shade. I'm just going to use that as a transition. So I'm going to pack it on my lid. Okay, once that transition is done, what I'm going to go with this orange shade right here. I'm just going to place this right underneath that transition color. Okay, and now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'll go with a nice brown shade. So I'm going to take this one right here. It's a reddish brown, and I'm just going to put this on the outer part of my eye, so right there. Just want to focus this on the outer part mainly. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to take this shimmery orange shade right here, and I'm just going to pack this all over my lid. Okay, once the orange is packed, I'm going to go back with the smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to blend everything so it's all melted together. Okay, I think I'm happy with the eyes, so what I'm going to do is apply some mascara, put on my eyelashes, and then also prime my face, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my eyelashes are done, and I've used my Eyelashes from Eyelashes UK in the style Empowerment, so that's what I have on right now. And I've also primed my face with my Milk Magnesia. So moving on straight into foundation, I'm going to use my Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in the shade F16. I'm just going to blend that with my foundation brush. Okay, once nicely blended, I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite in the shade C11.2, and I'm just going to use this to highlight. Then taking my dumb sponge, I'm just going to blend all that. Okay, and to set that, I'm going to take my black opal powder mixed with Fenty Beauty powder. It's the shade medium black opal, and then the shade honey in the Fenty. And I'm just literally going to use that and set under my eyes, well, everywhere that I've highlighted. Okay, once all of that is set, I'm now going to set the rest of my face, and I'm just going to take my black opal powder, but this one is in the shade dark. Okay, once everything is set, I'm now going to bronze my face, and today I'm going to use my glow bronzer from Revolution. I haven't used it in a very long time since I bought my tan face palette, so I thought I'll go back to it again because the smell of this is gorgeous. So yeah, that's what we're going to use today. Smells so good. Right, and to blush, I'm taking my Juvia's Place Sahara Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm going back to all my old stuff. So for blush, what I'm going to use is mix these two colors, Zayn and Toby, so the pink and the orange. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to quickly set my face with my Avon setting spray. What I'm going to do is go back with the Morphe palette, and then I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going to grab this orange shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Okay, and in my inner corner, I'm going to use this shimmery shade right here. It's like a nice champagne shade. I was going to put the orange, but I want something different. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let me just dust away the fallout. Okay, and to highlight, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place face palette. And I'm gonna get my pencil brush. I'm gonna take Zara and I'm gonna put this on the bridge of my nose. Okay, I'm going to use the same shade to highlight my cheeks. Right, and then I'm just gonna go over that with my blush brush just to blend it a bit more. Right, then I'm gonna take my mascara and just do my lower lashes. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my Glory lip liner to line my lips. Okay, for lips today, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Latte. Okay, and I found it very difficult to just wear lipstick on its own, so I have to put gloss on top. So I'm going to go with this Kiko Milan lip gloss in the shade 18, and I'm just gonna pop that right on top. Okay guys, so this is the final look and this is how the makeup turned out. Really like, it's so nice and glamorous, isn't it? Just beautiful. I love the orange eyes, my nude lips are just, yes, nice and juicy. And the face is looking good. Yes, I love this. I love these eyelashes as well. Yes, so if you haven't seen my any lashes review yet, make sure you go and watch it because the eyelashes are just, they're just beautiful. But yes guys, this is the final look, and I think I'm just gonna leave my braids down today as well. I've been having it up since I had it done, but today I think I'm gonna wear it down because it looks good. Looks good, and it's gonna be nice and long as well. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, then make sure you leave me a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, then please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you can get notified when I upload next. But yeah, I look cute. You know what time it is, guys. Time for some pictures. So I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah. No, yeah. Mr. No. Oh, my done,